working in a busy office means dealing with endless emails and data tasks that end up taking up your whole day. What if you had an AI teammate built into your office workflow that actually gives you finished files instead of just text responses you have to copy and paste? Today, let's have a look at how Tencent WorkBuddy works as an AI agent to boost everyday productivity at work by getting everything sorted for Monday's team meeting. All right, so we're in the WorkBuddy AI dashboard right now. So we're going to show you how smooth and how seamless it all is and how it all works. You've got your assistants, your experts, your automation, and your more section where you can even get inspiration, as well as your own files, of course. WorkBuddy, your workplace superpower. So they're going to be able to help you with everything. We've already got our little professional weekly marketing performance report for the Monday leadership meeting set up and ready to go. And it's going to include these things: executive summary, social media, key achievements, challenges, recommendations, all that important stuff. Let's plug it into the WorkBuddy agent and see what it comes up with here. All right. As we can see here, it's given us our weekly performance report. We can actually make that a bit bigger and have a look. So it's given us our executive summary, the total sessions, the leads, the conversion, the pipeline that's been generated, all the money. This is really cool. Section 2 here, the website traffic analysis, where it's coming from. Because let's be honest, you need these kinds of metrics to understand how to improve your business. It's all here. They even give you a section about lead generation metrics, key achievements, challenges and risks, and recommendations for the next week. I love that. Actually analysing the data, but not just doing that, actually giving you those real-life actionable recommendations for the following week. That's brilliant. So if we go into the expert section, let's have a bit of a look and see what they've got here. So as we can see, we've got different bits and pieces here. You can go and actually read real exam papers from different exams and things within your field. There's so many here to actually choose from to really just up your game. It's really cool to see that they've actually got these quality educational papers, whether it's industry research, seeding market stuff, entrepreneurship in general, or group buying. It's all here. Everything's here. Content creation, sales and commerce, operations, HR, you name it, it'll be in here. Say, for example, here we go to the proposal strategist, all right? And we're going to be invoking the expert to see what it can do. And we can actually bring that expert in to have a look. Create a project proposal for launching a customer referral program. So this is really cool. It's got the objectives that it's going to include. So again, we've brought that expert in, applied it to the AI right here, and it's given us our customer referral program right here. This is everything here. It's got the table of contents, everything's set up. Let's just make that a bit bigger. And have a look. It's right here, the project proposal, customer referral program. So it's all set up here, ready to go. I mean, how good is this? You're not going to get much better than that. The second page is there as well. Executive summary, our recommendation, the transfers. It's all here, all right? Listing the objectives clearly. I love the SMART goals as well. Really cool, they've got the SMART goals in here. The roadmap covers the timeline, costs in terms of the analytics and so on. Really good and just extremely thorough. I mean, you really aren't going to get much better than that, are you? I mean, that is absolutely exceptional. Really impressive to see that. WorkBuddy here is generating a PowerPoint presentation and an HTML web page output. And as we can see, the final presentation of the actual website's up on the screen here. Flowdesk, you got the sign in, the start free section there. Absolutely fantastic. This looks absolutely awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Everything's here. Reviews, the features section, the pricing, FAQs. You got the whole lot done in just seconds. Now, if it wasn't obvious enough from our demo already, WorkBuddy is for anyone who's sitting at their desk spending time drafting emails, reports, analysing data, or sending group emails out to the team in the office. All of this stuff is mundane. It takes time, and no matter what you say, I know the truth. You want to be able to try and make this. It's always about trying to make these kinds of jobs as efficient as possible. So you need to be using AI just to stay on the same playing field, let alone even thinking about potentially getting ahead. So it's really for these kinds of people. And if you really think about it, it boosts the whole office's and the team's productivity and efficiency without actually needing to hire too many extra people to do these jobs. I also love the fact that over here, it's loved by its users as well. So all of these nice little reviews here, as we can see. I highly recommend you actually go through and read these reviews as well. And then beyond that, it's pretty straightforward. You can actually get on the Pro plan for as little as $9.95 per calendar month and $40 per month for the team subscription as well. And right now, they're offering a massive 50% off for the monthly, which is just absolutely unreal. And also 50% off the yearly, which comes to $120 for the Pro. So if you don't want to deal with those monthly debits coming out, just make one simple payment. That's probably what I'd go ahead and do if I were doing this. I'd probably go for the $119 and just do it that way. So pretty cool. Stop wasting hours on boring office tasks. Click the link below to try Tencent WorkBuddy and let your AI teammate deliver finished files straight into your workflow. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you hit that like button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you don't want to miss more content. And most importantly, hit that notification bell so you get notified when a new video drops on the channel. And leave a comment below. When are you giving Tencent a go? See you next time.